beginning. Implementing bio abilities in ID 2020. Facial recognition. Selling coke and dope ain't the business. Nope. Forget trapping and wit and ball the business. True Peace, Ken. It's May 5th, 2020. This is a biometrics. And if you're trying to stay ahead of the game, peep the slang. Next Biometrics granted 1 million COVID-19 relief loan from U.S. government. That's the headline, but peep the slang. The U.S. government has granted Next Biometrics, ASA's Washington-based subsidiary Next Biometrics Inc., a loan of approximately $1 million under the Paycheck Protection Program created by the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security CARES Act of 2020, the company announced. Next Biometrics will use the funding for payroll and to cover U.S. operation expenses. The company will be eligible for partial loan forgiveness. Otherwise, the loan is for 2 years and has a 1% interest rate. The COVID-19 lockdown in Seattle, Washington, has led to the next U.S. R&D employees must carry their duties from home offices. As earlier communicated, the company has already taken steps securing that all customers are being served during this period, said Peter Human, Next Biometrics CEO, in a prepared statement. At the same time, we are pleased that Next Inc. has been approved for the Small Business Loan Program sponsored by the U.S. government. The loan and the recently announced cost reductions in our global operations will contribute to extending our financial runway. Last month, Next Biometrics announced it will further cut costs and headcount to mitigate COVID-19's impact on fingerprint business. The plan to cut costs as the fingerprint market reacts to the outbreak involves outsourcing some operations to countries with lower costs, further reducing headcount, streamlining and lowering vendor costs, simplifying the company's legal structure, which will reduce administration costs and simplify its product offerings.